Well, hey guys, I'm on the Carnival Dream and I'm fixing to take you on a room tour of interior cabin 6259. Now, if you've watched my videos, you know I usually book balcony cabins, sometimes cove balcony cabins, but hey, this was a casino deal my wife got. I only had to pay the port charges and the taxes, so hey, basically a free cabin. So let's go in and check it out.
Boy, I got some surf shorts too.
All right, I'll go in and spin around and we'll start at the front of the room and work our way back. Let's start with the closets. You got 3 doors. Here's closet number 1. Looks like you got your life jackets and you got a place to hang long items and some room on the bottom to store stuff. Number 2, you got a shelf up top. Got plenty of room for more hangers and more room at the bottom to store stuff. Door number 3, looks like you got a little rack up there and you got 1, 2, 3 shelves and some storage on the bottom. All right, right up here in the corner, you got your TV. Looks like we got some, looks like this is probably your safe right here. Right here is your mini fridge. All right, turning on around. They call this a king bed. I call it a cruise king, but this bed can be separated into twins if you want. Got a nightstand with a light on each side. And if you'll look right in the middle of the headboard, there's your switch to turn your lights on and off. All right, looking around, here's your vanity. Right here is where you turn your light on. This is a European plug, and in these interior cabins, I recommend you go to Walmart or somewhere, and they're not very much, $7, $8, and you can buy an adapter for that European plug, and you know, so you'll have an extra plug. Because these interior cabins, there is one outlet right here. I recommend you bring some kind of adapter where you can have multiple outlets or a power strip, something to help you out. Right down underneath, there's the beach towels. There's a stool set on, and there's a waste paper basket. Like we got 4 drawers, and in the top drawer, you got a hair dryer. All right, let's look back at the front of the room here, and I'll point out a couple things. Here's your light switch when you come in the door, right here. And right here on the outside of that's the bathroom door, and we'll go in there in just a second. That's where you adjust your thermostat. And right here is the more switches. This is your bathroom switch right here. So let's open the door and go in and take a look. Well, kind of a normal cruise ship bathroom, but I will point out a few things. You do have a handheld shower that is adjustable. People always want to know, right here you got shampoo, you got shower gel, you got a rack there to put your soap in. You also got a clothesline right here. This comes out and hooks in right over here. That way you can hang wet swimsuits or whatever you need. The Carnival Dream, it has a shower curtain. I know a lot of people like the new shower doors better, but unfortunately, that does have a shower curtain. There's your commode, towels. There's some racks, or shelves, I should say, on both sides of the mirror. Here is the mirror that, the magnifying mirror that you can pull out. Underneath, you got some more supplies, and looks like you got a trash can right there. Again, that's just a standard cruise ship bathroom, nothing special, but it'll definitely do the job for the week. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed that little room tour of interior cabin 6259 here on the Carnival Dream. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos on the end screen coming up. Till next time, happy cruising.